Hello there, folks. Welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be doing the daily install series of Windows Longhorn build 405585, and this time it's going to be the lab version. Yet there's two versions, like Pokemon, but not really. So, yeah, that's definitely something that we'll definitely have to take a look at. Yeah, my news is on the way, but who cares? Cares. Oh, oops. Oh, right. Yeah, I forgot. Oh, we have to do with the day. We have to do the date. All 6, all 9. Shit, we don't want that. 06, 09, 2004. Dokes. So, oh, we have to. Oh, right. Yeah, I forgot. Oh, where is the stretching? Where is the auto? Where is? There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. So we spam F5. Standard PC, and we should, in a few moments, be loaded into Longhorn setup. So now this is the time where we. Okay, are we going to need to swap disks around, or is there going to be an issue with that? Yeah, partition. Continue. Alright, I guess we're using the other method of installing Longhorn, as my mouth is like right here. Alright, so as far as I'm concerned, we don't need to mash F5 with the solution disk, so we're just gonna fucking. This is taking a while. Okay. Hey, alright, there we go. Just. Oh, shit. Alright, okie dokes. Alright, so check disconnect. We wonder what the hell is going on here. That's definitely not supposed to be going on there. Alright, let's just go ahead and print the screen, see what's going on. I think it's an issue with VirtualBox. Yeah, it is an issue with VirtualBox. Authenticates continued. I mean, I could, but something is not right with my machine, so we're just gonna have to. No. Alright. Run in the background. Reboot it. Maybe restart VirtualBox. There. Okay. Okie dokes. So, what we need to do now is we need to just insert the product key and hit install. Look, I do have something to say regarding one of my daily with all right, okay, all right, okie doke. So I have a little something important to say because I said it in my fucking Yu-Gi-Oh tutorials. So when I was looking at comments as I usually do, so that, I can get feedback, see whatever they're saying, see if you guys have commented on these videos, the daily install series. Well, it seems like my tutorial videos are more popular. And I mean, I kind of understand that they're short form, but so recently I got a comment saying that's not how Foolish Burial works. Foolish Burial, you take a monster from the deck, you put it in the graveyard. No problem. Guess what I did? I said it gets sent from the field to the graveyard. You could do that. No, you can't. Which honestly, thank y'all. I think that's because I'm a little my brain does not work. I am on the spectrum, so I mean I know other guys on YouTube who is on the spectrum. Magic Mush, shout out to him. He's peak. He's peak content. I like my drama that's like coked up. You know, I don't like it where it's just a basic. Oh, that person did that. That person did that. Nah, man. Nah, that's the most basic form of content you could ever provide. Provide me with the most mental thing you have ever seen. Like, isn't it more interesting when it's more crazy? Also, what's going on here? We're at the screen for a little while now. For a little too while. So I don't want to mess things up, so we're just gonna leave it be. But yeah, uh, see ya. Looks like we're at this stage again. You know what that means? We just go here, we go task MGR, and we go for another 30 minutes. Where's my phone? Whatever. We're gonna use a timer. So when 30 minutes hit, we're just gonna check and we're gonna, you know, do whatever we need to do. Also, man, do I need to have better timing. Okay, so we're just gonna. Wow, that is a lot of CPU performance. Holy crap. Okay, you know what? Let's go ahead, shut it down. It's not gonna harm anything, I hope. And we're gonna upgrade the processors from one core to two because apparently, Jesus Christ, what the fuck? Also, we're gonna disable the accelerating 3D graphics. So hopefully that does anything good, and hopefully that doesn't fuck up our OOBE or whatever it should be called, Longhorn. Oh shit. Alright, now we just hit the 30-minute timer, and now we stop recording. 30 minutes later, we come to a CPU usage that's one. Cut to a me trying to what the fuck? Alright, yeah, so it seems like we're good? Or is it trying to do something? Because every single one of these is like, uh, just not doing something? I mean, Maybe what I need to do is just close one of hit exit. Error running setup. Hello? Hmm. Hmm. If it turns out I just wasted time for no reason, then I'm gonna be pissed. So we are being 30 minutes. So everyone running is whatever. I think we can just get this out. Can we like not? Hold on, I think I have an idea. Cause you online setup. I don't think we need this, so we just end it. And if we do, we're just gonna reboot. So if that's the case, then maybe we're good. But if not, then we're screwed. Hmm. Does anyone know why that's going on? Or is there an issue with whatever? Of course. Because it needs to go through this thing. Oh my god. Alright, task MGR. What is this? What? Alright, I guess so. We're just gonna wait until that. Hello? Hello? Okay, there we go. Yeah, right there. Error in running setup.exe. Press any key to continue. Pressing any key. And that brings us to here. So if we if this happens again, then we're just gonna leave it. We're just gonna cut the video here because the only changes in Longhorn are the scheduled tasks. But it's not functional. So yeah, so uh how fun. It's been 9 minutes and I've just forgot I'm recording. What the hell? Error in running setup. Is there something wrong with it? Or actually, you know what? I said next time I stop the video, so the next time we get this error, I'm gonna stop recording the video now, and the next time we're going to shut the video down, because that's pretty much all the changes we got. Non-functional name ad. I mean, I could try the bugs, but, well, I guess this is the end, huh? Error running setup. Yeah, you know what? I don't know if we got the, I don't know, I'm gonna have to look at the footage, but, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, we're not. If we reboot this, it's just gonna throw us back into there, which honestly, now thinking about it, probably the main reason why we're probably dealing with this is because we reported prematurely. Like during when we forgot to like change the processor. I think because we changed that, maybe yeah that. This is going to look so cursed. This is going to be the most men. Wait, are we? Uh, notepad. Okay, that's a new one. Uh, open. No. Save as. Not have. Huh. Okay. We don't. Oh. All right then. I guess that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.